Chapter 5. The Jellyfish UAP over Iraq. One of the most intriguing and visually documented UAP incidents in recent years occurred over a U.S. military base in Iraq, involving an object widely referred to as the Jellyfish UAP. Captured in both photographs and video footage, this anomaly challenged conventional interpretations of aerial technology and reinforced the need for serious investigative scrutiny. Unlike many other sightings that rely solely on eyewitness accounts, this event produced imagery of an object with distinct physical characteristics, allowing for detailed analysis of shape, behavior, and potential origin. The incident was reported by multiple personnel stationed at the base, all of whom described the object as hovering silently in the sky before performing movements inconsistent with known aircraft. Witnesses consistently noted a translucent, bulbous shape with appendages that seemed to float in a manner reminiscent of a jellyfish, a description that gave the object its nickname. Unlike conventional drones or aircraft, the object demonstrated fluid motion, including slow undulations and instantaneous directional shifts. This combination of hovering capability and sudden acceleration defied explanation using current aerospace technology, compelling analysts to consider alternative hypotheses. Photographic and video evidence further complicates conventional explanations. Infrared imagery shows the object as emitting or reflecting energy in patterns not consistent with standard aircraft lighting or atmospheric phenomena. The motion captured in sequences of frames indicates controlled maneuvering rather than random drift, suggesting intelligence or advanced automation behind the movement. Analysts compared the footage with known experimental drones, including multi-rotor UAVs and stealth prototypes, but none fully accounted for the object's observed characteristics, including its hovering stability, silent operation, and rapid, precise maneuvers. The location of the sighting also warrants attention. Military bases, especially those in active conflict zones, such as Iraq, are heavily monitored environments with multiple overlapping sensor systems, including radar, motion detection, and aerial surveillance. The presence of a UAP in such a controlled environment reduces the likelihood of misidentification or natural atmospheric explanations. Witnesses were trained observers, familiar with conventional aircraft, drones, and surveillance technologies, yet their accounts consistently indicated that the jellyfish object did not conform to any known model. These factors contribute to the credibility of the incident as a genuinely anomalous event. Investigators considered a range of potential explanations. Some proposed that the object could be a foreign-developed drone, a novel military experiment, or even an optical anomaly caused by atmospheric distortion. While these hypotheses merit examination, they fail to fully account for the combination of visual characteristics, motion dynamics, and energy patterns captured in the recordings. The Jellyfish UAP remains one of the few documented cases where imagery allows for technical analysis alongside first-hand testimony, making it a valuable case study for both military and civilian investigators. The Iraq incident also illustrates a broader pattern observed in UAP encounters: the proximity of anomalies to strategic military installations. As noted in previous chapters, UAPs frequently appear near sensitive sites, including nuclear facilities and weapons storage areas. The Jellyfish UAP's presence over a military base aligns with this trend, raising questions about intent and purpose. Whether the object represents a form of reconnaissance, observation of human activity, or a more enigmatic phenomenon remains unresolved, but the consistency of these patterns suggests a deliberate interaction with controlled airspace. Cross-referencing this incident with other sightings adds context and potential connections. Similar fluid, hovering objects have been reported in various global locations, often displaying comparable movement dynamics and behavior. While each encounter is unique, the recurrence of these characteristics strengthens the case for a category of UAPs that operates outside conventional aerospace parameters. Analysts are increasingly recognizing that these phenomena cannot be dismissed as misperception or technological anomalies alone, prompting a reevaluation of what constitutes aerial capabilities beyond known human engineering. Finally, the Jellyfish UAP over Iraq underscores the importance of evidence-based investigation. Unlike anecdotal accounts, the combination of trained observers, multiple sensory inputs, and recorded visual data allows for a methodical assessment of the phenomenon. Researchers can analyze flight patterns, energy signatures, and physical form, generating hypotheses while maintaining scientific rigor. This incident bridges the gap between eyewitness testimony and tangible, analyzable evidence, offering a compelling case study for the broader investigation into UAPs, their potential origins, and their implications for national security and aerospace understanding. In conclusion, the Iraq jellyfish incident remains a pivotal moment in UAP research. It exemplifies how direct observation, corroborated imagery, and credible testimony converge to challenge conventional assumptions about aerial technology. By documenting this event in detail, investigators gain a clearer understanding of the anomalies present in our skies, setting the stage for further examination of government disclosures, technological analysis, and the ongoing debate regarding extraterrestrial or experimental human origins of these phenomena. As this report progresses, the lessons from the Jellyfish UAP will inform subsequent discussions about disclosure, military policy, and the persistent question of what is truly happening above us.